Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can play League of Legends on Linux. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So, short answer, yes, you could still play League of Legends on Linux, but not officially. Riot Games doesn't provide native Linux support anymore, so you need to use a workaround. So I've got a quick, simple breakdown. So option one is to use Lutris, which is the most popular way. So Lutris is a game manager for Linux that helps install and run Windows games easily through Wine. Now, steps. So you want to go ahead and install Lutris from your Linux distro software center or terminal. Install Wine and Winetricks if not already installed. Then from there, go to the Lutris website, search for League of Legends and click install. Follow the on-screen prompts. Lutris will automatically configure Wine for League. Once done, open Lutris, select League and then click play. So now this is probably the easiest method going around and it is automatic setup. But there are some cons to this, so occasional bugs or patch issues after Riot updates.